Hello everyone, this is Coach Wade, your one-stop resource to help you make money, save money, and add convenience to your everyday life. Right now we're on the website of Magnum, a credit strong product, and I will put a link in the description for the video to bring you directly to this resource. The biggest credit builder in the nation for when you have cash but not credit. Get started today. When it comes to Magnum, payment history makes up the largest portion of your FICO credit score. Magnum builds big payment history on a large loan at a low monthly cost. Again, payment history contributes 35% of your FICO score. Magnum impacts 90% of your FICO score. So get better credit with the best plan for you. And you can get started by clicking on this button right here. And would you invest $350 to make $56,000? Obtain a $350,000 30-year home mortgage after 12 months of on-time Magnum payments. So this is huge, folks. Credit building and security only real banks can provide, because Magnum is part of an FDIC insured bank, ensuring your money and personal information are safe and secured up to $250,000. Real people, real results. Be sure to check it out. Build up to $30,000 of credit starting at just $30 per month. And the way this thing works is you choose the Magnum plan that fits your budget and apply. Funds are originated by Austin Capital Bank and placed in a locked savings account, securing the loan. Your monthly payments are reported to the 3 credit bureaus, building your credit history. And when you're done with the loan, either at the end of the term or if you close early, the remaining balance is paid off with the secured loan funds and the principal is returned to you. There are no prepayment or early cancellation fees if you don't want the full 10 years of credit. Several different plan options here. You have the Magnum, which is $30 plus monthly payment. You have the Magnum XL, which is $175 plus monthly payment. And again, no credit, bad credit, no problem. So whether you're just starting your credit journey or in the process of rebuilding your credit, Magnum is there for you, folks. Again, I will put a link in the description for the video to bring you directly to this resource. Until we meet again, you guys have a great day. Take care.